Hello everyone, I am BitHunter. Today is October 20th, 2021. Today, I will introduce a new graphics card mining project called B0x, abbreviated as B0x. This project is a graphics card mining project based on the base chain. Let's first visit the official website to look at the official introduction. I will also put the website link in the comments section below the video. The project will officially launch its mainnet mining on November 1st, 2025 at 6 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, which is 2 a.m. Beijing time on November 2nd, 2025. So, I suggest that those interested in participating in the B0x project prepare in advance. This project has some innovations and uses a new algorithm for GPU mining. I remember there was a similar project in the first half of last year that created the myth of earning $1,000 a day with a single card, so I suggest that family members with graphics cards should all participate. The official website also shows the project's contract address and token address. Next, I will guide you step by step on how to participate in this project's mining. Before mining, you first need to prepare a base chain wallet, and it is recommended to use the Little Fox wallet or OKX wallet. If you are using the MetaMask Little Fox wallet, you need to add the base chain information in the network settings and switch the network to the base chain. If you are using the OKX wallet, you only need to keep the default full network. The next step is to add the contract in the wallet. We go to the official website to copy the contract address. Next, click on Add Token in the MetaMask wallet, then choose Custom Token, and paste the token's contract address into the search box to view the B0x information. Finally, click Add to add the B0x to your wallet. Since mining hasn't started yet, the balance is 0. Once you mine, the B0x quantity will be displayed here. If you are using the OKX wallet, you can choose Currency Management. Then click on Custom Currency and select the base chain. Then enter the contract address, and you can also see the B0x information. Click Confirm, and you can import the B0x into the wallet. After completing the preliminary preparations, we can start mining. Currently, B0x can be mined solo on Windows and Ubuntu platforms. Here, as always, BitHunter has prepared a one-click mining script for B0x. If you need it, feel free to join the official BitHunter Telegram group. You just need to send the lowercase words B0x chung in the group, and the group bot will automatically reply with the mining scripts for B0x on various platforms. Additionally, you can also find the mining scripts for each platform on the project's GitHub repository. I will also place the official GitHub link below the video. With the script, you can start mining. Before mining, you need to prepare the wallet address and private key for mining, which are used for on-chain signing on the base chain. If you are using the MetaMask wallet, you can click the three-dot icon at the top right of the current account. Click on Account Details in the pop-up menu, then click the Show Private Key button and enter the wallet password. You can see the wallet private key. Save the wallet private key and wallet address for future mining. If you are using an OKX wallet, you can select the current account in the upper left corner of the wallet, then click the Edit Wallet button. Similarly, click the three-dot button on the right, select View Private Key, and enter the wallet password. You will then enter the wallet private key interface. OKX does a much better job in private key management compared to the Little Fox wallet. You can choose the secure copy option here, where the system will only copy the first several digits of the wallet's private key, leaving the last 6 digits for you to remember. This way, even if a Trojan program monitors your clipboard, it won't obtain your complete private key, thus ensuring your wallet's security to some extent. Of course, since this B0x coin mining requires you to provide your wallet's private key, you should definitely not use a wallet with significant assets to participate, as this could easily lead to your wallet assets being stolen. Be sure to use an empty wallet, then transfer a small amount, roughly equivalent to 1 USDT or 2 USDT of base chain ETH, into the mining wallet as the gas fee. If you don't have it yet, don't worry too much. Currently, the project team has provided a benefit, and the first 500 miners participating will receive a free gift of base chain ETH worth 1 USDT from the project team as a gas fee. As for how to participate in this gas fee giveaway, I will share it with everyone after the tutorial, so be sure not to miss it. Prepare your wallet address and private key, and let's first look at how to mine B0x coin on the Windows platform. You need to prepare a Windows computer with an NVIDIA graphics card, then open the one-click mining script prepared by BitHunter. You only need to edit the configuration file named B0x. Replace the English URL address with your wallet address, and replace the English URL private KY with your wallet private key. Then save the configuration. Double-click the mining script to start mining B0x coins. If your system does not have the latest Microsoft .NET framework installed, the script will prompt you to download the latest .NET framework. We will copy the download link and paste it into a web browser, then download the latest .NET framework. After downloading, proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, rerun the script to start mining. After introducing the Windows platform, next, I will demonstrate how to execute mining on the Ubuntu platform. Similarly, you need to prepare an Ubuntu computer with an NVIDIA graphics card. Then run the B0x project's mining script in the Ubuntu command line, which you can find in the project's GitHub repository. Of course, if you don't know how to run it, you can directly run the one-click mining script made by BitHunter for everyone. I have placed the script link in the description below the video. You just need to run the script in the Ubuntu command line to access the BitHunter multi-currency one-click mining interface. If you want to participate in B0x coin mining, you can enter option 121 and press enter, and you will enter the B0x coin mining interface. If you want to perform one-click mining, just enter option 1 and press enter, and you can start mining B0x coin. Similar to the Windows platform, you first need to enter your wallet private key, and after entering it, press enter. The next step requires you to enter the wallet address for mining. After entering it, press enter to continue running, and the script will automatically help you download the mining software, set up the mining environment, and start one-click mining. As for how to obtain the wallet address and wallet private key, it is described in the first half of this video tutorial. If you don't know, you can re-watch the previous tutorial. Since this mining project based on EVM smart contracts requires ETH as gas fees, if you want to receive the official free giveaway of base chain ETH worth 1 USDT, you can take a screenshot of your mining interface, then go to the official Discord group. I will also place the group link in the comments section below the video. Then find the airdrop channel, copy and paste the mining interface into the channel, and send your mining wallet address. The official will send the base chain ETH worth 1 USDT to your mining wallet address, so you won't need to prepare additional base chain ETH as gas fees. Of course, if you are late and exceed 500 people, it doesn't matter. You can transfer 1 USDT worth of base chain ETH from an exchange to your mining wallet. Make sure it is base chain, as other chains are not acceptable. I recommend using the Gate.io exchange, as its withdrawal fees are relatively low. I will also place the registration link in the comments section below the video. Accounts registered with this link will enjoy a 10% rebate benefit. Alright, that's all for today's B0x mining tutorial. I wish you all great success. You're also welcome to join the BitHunter VIP member group. BitHunter will lead members to seize the first batch of B0x coins and help members quickly receive the official free base chain ETH worth 1 USDT as a block on-chain fee. Thank you all for your support.